Hi! We are here in Olandre! I see that you have watched our past videos related to the topic we'll be discussing for today.
I suggest that you should let it go because Anna need help in her math homework.
Help me!
I am afraid of what I'm risking if I follow you into the unknown.
Don't worry, Anna. The Lefroy will help you with your problem.
So sit back and relax and watch this video.
By the way, this video is sponsored by Elsa for the free
AirPods.
This is the formula of simple annuity, future value and present value. R times the quantity of 1 plus R over N raised to the power of NT minus 1 over R over N. R times quantity of 1 minus the quantity of 1 plus R over N raised to the power of negative NT over R over N.
Where the big R is the effective rate of interest, the small r is the interest rate in decimal, n is the conversion period, t is the time in years. It is also the same with the formula of simple annuity, present value.
So our first problem is Christoph deposited 10,000 every year with an interest rate of 10% compounded yearly. How much money will he have after 6 years? So first, we need to find the given. So the R, the big R, is the 10,000. The rate is 10% and in conversion, it will be 0.10. The time is 6 years and the conversion period, or N, is, since it's yearly, it is 1. Since the question is how much money will he have after 6 years, we are finding the future value, and the formula for future value of simple annuity is AF is equal to R times the quantity of 1 plus R over N raised to the power of NT minus 1 over R over N. So first thing that we need to do is to substitute the given to the formula. So R is 10,000. R is 0.10. The N is 1 and N is 1 still. The time is 6 minus 1 and over 0.10 over 1. So we need to solve the numerator first before this denominator. So the answer for our numerator, which is 1 plus 0.10 over 1 raised to the power of 1 times 6 minus 1 is 0.771561 over 0.10 over 1. So we need to answer the numbers here in the brackets. So the answer for that is 7.71561. Multiply it by 10,000, the answer would be, in peso, 77,156.1. So that would be our answer. So therefore, Christoph should have $77,156.1 after 6 years.
So we have here a second example of simple annuity. Olaf wants to have 150,000 after 2 years to buy a lot for his carrot garden. How much would Olaf pay to a bank offering 5% compounded monthly, paying every month? So we have our given here, big R, which is 150,000. Our time, which is 2 years, to our n is compounded monthly, so it is 12. Then lastly, our small letter r, which is our rate, 5% or 0.05. So since we're finding its present value, we have here the formula of present value of simple annuity. So A sub P is equals to R times the quantity of 1 minus 1 plus R over N to the power of negative N times T over R over N. So after that, we need to substitute all our givens to the formula. So we have our big R, 150,000 times a quantity of 1 minus 1 plus our small letter r is 0.05 over our n, which is 12, to the power of negative n, which is 12, times its time, which is 2, over r again, which is our 0.05 over 12. So you need to input the numerator into your calculator and divide it by 0.05 over 12, and you will have the answer 22.79389,839. Then you need to multiply it by 150,000, and you will have the answer 3,419,084.8 pesos. So that is our final answer for this problem. So therefore, Olaf need to invest 3,419,084.8 pesos in the bank.
So, on the next topic, we will now discuss about the second lesson, which is general annuity of future value and present value. Take note, there are some variables interchanged, so watch and listen carefully. To solve for general annuity, we must convert R over N from the formula of both simple annuity, present and future value. The formula for conversion is R over N is equal to 1 plus R over M to the power of K minus 1, where R is the interest rate, M is conversion rate, and we have K here, that where is the result of dividing M over N. So to get the value of K, the formula of it is K is equal to M over N. Notice that N became the payment period and M became conversion period. So let's solve.
Our second example is this: 500,890 pesos every year, interest rate of 9% compounded semi-annually. How much to invest for 4 years and 18 months? So our given here is R is 50,890 pesos. Our rate is 9% or 0.09. Our time is, we have 4 years and 18 months or 5.5 years. Why is it 5.5 years? Because 4 years is converted to months is 48 months plus 18 months, a total of 66 months, and convert it back to years. We have 5.5 years. So in 66 months, we have 5.5 years. Our N is 1 and our M is 2. Since it's looking for present value, we need to convert R over N from our simple annuity present value. So the conversion formula is R over N is equal to 1 plus R over M raised to the power of K minus 1. To get K, We must divide the conversion period, which is M, and the payment period, which is N, where M is equal to 2 and our N is equal to 1. So our K is 2. And so R over N is equal to 1 plus 0.09 over 2 raised to the power of 2 minus 1. So solve what is in the parentheses, which is 1.035 raised to the power of 2, then minus 1.
So we got 1.092025 minus 1, and that is equivalent to 0.092025, and that is our R over N, which is our conversion period. So the next step is we need to find its present value. So we have here the formula of the present value, which is R times the quantity of 1 minus 1 plus conversion period, which is R over N, times negative N times T over R over N, which is again our conversion period. So we need to substitute all its givens. So we have R 50,890 times the quantity of 1 minus 1 plus the conversion period, which is 0.092025 times N, which is 1, and time, which is 5.5 years, over our conversion period, which is 0.092025, and bring down the 50,890 . So first, we need to input the numerator into our calculator, and we will get the answer 0.3838012612 over the conversion period again, which is 0.092025. And we need to solve the bracket. We need to input it into our calculator. So we will have the answer 4.170619,519, and we need to multiply that by 50,890, and we will get the answer 212,242.8273, and that is our final answer for this example. So, therefore, it invests 212,242.8273 pesos for 4 years and 18 months.
So this is the second example for our general annuity. Elsa invested 8,000 pesos every 6 months with an interest rate of 5% compounded annually. How much would Elsa have after 3 years? So this is R given. R is equal to 800,000. Small r is 5% or 0.05. Time is 3 years. N is 2. You can see every 6 months. And we divide 12 by 6, so it's 2. And M is 1 because compounded annually. We're going to convert first using our conversion formula, which is R over N is equal to 1 plus R over M raised to the power of K minus 1. We need to substitute this given, so 1 plus 0.05 over 1 raised to the power of. So to find K, we're going to have M over N. M is equal to 1 and N is 2, so we have 1/2. So substitute that 1/2. Then minus 1. So to solve for in the parentheses first, so 1.05 raised to the power of 1/2 minus 1. So the answer for that is 0.024695077. So that would be our conversion of r over n. And we're going to use this for our formula for the second solution. So since we are looking for the future value, we have r times the quantity of 1 plus r over n raised to the power of nt minus 1 over r over n. We're going to substitute the same given. So 800,000 times the quantity of 1 plus the answer for r over n, the conversion, 0.024695077 raised to the power of n, which is 2, and times the time, which is 3, minus 1 over the same 0.024695077. So we're going to answer the numerator first. So copy that. So the answer for the numerator is, you type it in your calculator, the answer would be 0.157625003 over, copy, 0.024695077. And the answer in the bracket, should input that in your calculator, that would be 800,000 multiplied by the answer, which is 6.382851235. So multiply that in 800,000, we'd have in peso sign 5,106,280.988 cents. So that would be our answer. So therefore, Elsa will have 5,106,280.988 peso after 3 years.
So that is how we solve the simple and general annuities.
So for more videos, please check out our channel Brainera in the description down below. So we have 3 more videos about simple and general annuities. So check it out, guys.
So shout out to Sir Rovic, our Gen Math teacher.